Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like GBP USD, GBP JPY, Euro USD, etc. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound Japanese Yen for 9th March 2021 Tuesday. So this analysis is for Tuesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming again with tomorrow's analysis. And you can also check my Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. And please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So right now we can see that market is trading at 150.92 level. Okay. And there is no doubt that market is in beautiful uptrend. Market is making higher highs, taking support at the 50 moving average. So we all know it very well that it is not that tough to trade on a trending market like this. Okay. So for a trending market like this, what should be your strategy? Okay. Though it is a trending market, market is trading at 150.92 level, but you should not jump into the trade right now because this is not your the area of value. Okay, you can see that this is a stochastic RSI indicator. You can see that stochastic RSI is an overbought zone. So let the stochastic RSI indicator come down to the oversold zone. Okay, so when stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone, okay, so it should be by that time it should be taking support at the 50 moving average again. So you can enter at that point of time because our area of value, okay, area of value for this trade is near this 50 moving average. Okay, and area of value is very important for the discipline of a trader. We all know that if you want to become a trader, then discipline is very important. Without discipline, no trader can survive on the market for a long time. Okay, therefore you just need to wait for the market to come down to this 50 moving average or near the 50 moving average. Okay, when the market will reverse or bounce from 50 moving average again, you just go ahead and buy. Okay, or wait for the stochastic RSI indicator to come down to the oversold level, and from oversold level when it will start moving up again, just grab it. That's it. Trending market, simple market, no not much complications. Okay, things are quite simple. So this is a simple analysis of GBP JPY, British Pound Japanese Yen for 9th March 2021. Okay, this is it. Thank you so much. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and please do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good luck.